Denmark. The third country on the list is Denmark. Denmark has similar strengths to Sweden and Finland, including a high quality of life, sustainability, and affordability. Moreover, 79% of expats are happy with the cost of living in Denmark. Denmark's quality of life. Denmark is an extraordinary spot to live for expats. It has a top-notch of life, reasonable cost for most everyday items, and magnificent medical care framework. The nation is additionally known for its lovely scenes, flourishing urban areas, and inviting networks. Denmark's sustainability. Denmark is a truly reasonable country. It is one of the world forerunners in sustainable power, and it has serious areas of strength for and on ecological security. This makes it an extraordinary spot to live for individuals who are energetic about supportability. Denmark's affordability. Denmark is a shockingly reasonable country to live in. The cost for most everyday items is lower than numerous other European nations, and the pay rates are high. This implies that expats can partake in an agreeable way of life without burning through every last cent. Denmark's expat community. Denmark has an enormous and inviting expat local area. There are many gatherings and associations that take care of expats, and there are dependably occasions and exercises occurring. This causes it simple to cause companions and to feel comfortable in Denmark.